आज कैनेडा डे सेलिब्रेशन है और मैं यहाँ मिसिसागा फोर्ट क्रेडिट मेमोरियल पार्क में सेलिब्रेशन हो रही है, क्योंकि मैं वैसे आज मेरा प्लान था कि मैं जाऊँगा नायग्रा फॉल्स, लेकिन एक फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने इनवाइट किया कि नहीं आप हमारे साथ सेलिब्रेट करें, तो मैं इनके पास आया हूँ। Ford Credit Memorial Arena.
Kinds of people going down. Let's see if we're doing this one. I'm not sure we can.
सब लोग एक्साइटेड हैं कॉन्सर्ट देखने के लिए कैनेडा डे का।
Climb a tree, and maybe then we'll talk, or sit silently and listen to our thoughts. Illusions of someday cast in a glowing light. No dress rehearsals, this is our life.
Ladies and gentlemen, Derek Lathrop, the Hip Experience, make some noise. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to introduce you to Johnny Batso, Mayor Bonnie Crombie. Please give them a big round of applause.
Have you guys had a great day? Fantastic. I've been celebrating right across the city. Early morning. Who was at the parade with me this morning? Come on, let's see it. Then up to Malton, then to Celebration Square, then to Churchill Meadows, then to Streetsville, but back here in Port Credit for the fireworks. Let me tell you what, Mississauga rules. There's no fireworks in Toronto. No, not in Brampton, only in Mississauga. We're all going to celebrate together. I wanted to come and once again wish you all a very happy Canada Day.
Everybody have a good time?
Yeah.
Well, I want to thank all of you. We're going to do the O Canada soon and then fireworks. I just want to thank a few people that really made this happen financially. The city of Mississauga, Peel Chrysler, nobody beats a deal from Peel. Eden Shaw Development, Brightwater, I believe they're here. How you doing, guys? And I want to thank the Mississauga Waterfront Festival for their pop-up children's area. I know all the kids had a great time. And all the rest of the sponsors you see on the screen. Thank you very much, everybody. And have a great night and enjoy the fireworks. We're going to have a great party in Port Credit. Cheers!
Oh, Canada, our home and native land. True friendship, love, in all was command. Acombrase
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! No bad. I like both. If I was sober, I'm not going to really enjoy this right now.
Queens Court, we couldn't do it without that. Every year, they keep on sponsoring our fireworks.
Happy Canada Day to all of you.
Are they really Disney children back?
रेस्टोरेंट मेरे पीछे ये यहाँ पे सुना है बहुत अच्छा खाना मिलता है.
Compound restaurant over by where